It's connected to you. I'm connected to you.
Hey y'all, it's like today I'm doing a get ready with me to go nowhere. Y'all, I'm just getting showered and now get ready with me. I'm gonna do a day in the life. We're not going nowhere, but yeah. So I'm gonna get y'all when I got a shower. But make sure like, comment, and shop because what? Like, comment, and shop. Alright, y'all. So I'm at the shower and yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm doing today. Not only because I'm not doing that vlog. I'm not gonna vlog a whole day for like vlog here. Yeah. I finished sitting in my room and make up my bed and stuff.
I'm caught up with money like fuck this dream ain't nothing. And fuck these hoes down, let me. My favorite bitch just cut me off and she won't even let me know the reason. It's probably.
Y'all, so I'm not really doing that today. I'm not doing that stuff in this video. But yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because I always do that because yeah. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, come back for the next video.